Hey, it's John with John's Trucks. Today it's a 2007 Peterbilt 379 extended hood. C15 Cat. Got a Cat Platinum Overhaul. 175,000 miles on that overhaul. It's got an 18-speed transmission. Rebuild on the transmission. About 180,000 miles on that. 390 gear ratio, 230-inch wheelbase, tall 24/5 tires, virgin, all aluminum wheels, air track suspension, that's a 500 horse Cat. Does have the tank split for oil reservoir, so if you want to put a PTO wet kit on it, it's available for that, so it's already there. We have completely gone through the trucks like we always do. We know we don't find everything, but we do try. We work pretty hard at it. It's DOT inspected, fully serviced. We put a new steering gearbox on, new front spring pins, bushings, hangers. We've gone through it. We've really worked it over. Got some paint peel on the dash. Can be fixed. Really good condition.